how to fix the issue where your Samsung phone is not booting into recovery mode. So if you're unable to get to the recovery screen, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to solve this. Now, the first thing you need to do is make sure your Samsung phone is turned on like this. Now, once your phone is turned on, we need to go and grab a USB-C cable. Now, you need to plug one end of this into your phone and the other end needs to go into a laptop or computer. Now, we don't actually have to do anything on the computer, but you do need to make sure the computer is turned on. So if you've done this correctly, you should see the charging symbol on your Samsung phone, and it should just indicate that it's currently charging. Now, once you've done this, the next step is to come around to the side of your phone, and you just need to hold down the power button like so. You should see the power screen appear. Just go and click on power off and click on the power off button. Now, once your phone's completely switched off, we can now go and enter recovery mode. Now, to do this, turn your phone onto its side and you need to hold down the volume up button and also the power button at the same time. So let's go and do this together now. We're going to hold these two buttons down and you need to continue to hold them down until you see the Samsung logo appear. So just continue to hold these buttons down. Keep holding them down until you see the Samsung logo. You can then release these two buttons and you can now wait for your phone to restart. Now, once it's restarted, it should go straight into recovery mode. If it doesn't work straight away, then you'll need to go and repeat these steps another 2 to 3 times. Now, when you're pressing the volume up button, just make sure you are pressing the top of the button and not the middle. And as you can see, we are now in the recovery screen. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.